evening everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, as promised earlier, today we are here once again to talk about Google Contacts, an application of Google. So we said to access those Google applications, you open your Chrome browser, then you look for these 9 dots in the top right corner, and then you look for the application of interest. So this time around we are looking for Google Contacts. So you navigate until you find Google Contacts, then you double click and then it should be open right here. So this is our Google Contacts application. So under Google Contacts, we also have a search box, so we can search for any contact that has been saved. Now when you're saving your contacts, you usually are provided with a prompt that tells you to either save your contacts to your SIM card, save your contact to the phone, or save your contact to your Gmail address. So it is always advisable that you save your contact to your Gmail address. Why is this important? It is because in case that phone is stolen, you can always access those contacts because your Gmail account has a cloud server where these contacts are stored, so you can always access these contacts from anywhere, rather than when the phone is stolen and the contacts were stored on the phone, you would have been at a very huge loss because you would not be able to recover those contacts. But if these contacts are saved on your Google account or your Gmail account, it is very easy to recover these contacts. So under this application we have the search box here, and we can be able to search for any contact. Maybe I'm looking for Augustine, so Augustine's contact is here, and then I can click on it, and then there are a number of functions or operations I can perform on this contact. I can maybe add his birthday so that I can be reminded when it comes about. I can add his email, or I can edit to change the name or how I saved him, or I can even delete the contact, or I can add the contact to my favorites. You understand? Yes, that is basically it. Then we have this box here where we can create a new contact. So instead of saving contacts through your phone, you can come to your Google accounts, your Google applications, and then you open Google Contacts, and then you come and create contact. So you creating a contact, you tap on that, then you can be able to add the name. You can even add the picture of the person, then you can add the contact to favorites, you can add the surname, the company if present, any type of information that you need about this contact can be added. And then we also have a provision for adding the phone number. So we have different provisions that encounter or come along with Google Contacts. And then when you're done, you just come here near the favorites button, and then you click save, and that contact will be automatically saved onto your Google account. Then here we have frequently used contacts. So these are the contacts that I usually frequent, contacts that I usually call, contacts that I usually text over. Maybe where we have deleted contacts. So if you delete any contact from Google Contacts, it will be reflected in the bin. Then you can import contacts. So here they are telling us to select select a file. So you can select file of how you want to. These contacts could be stored in maybe a Microsoft Excel sheet, or maybe you have these contacts stored in a given folder. So you just select file, and then you select that file where those contacts are being stored, and then you come and import. So that is it with importing, and I think that is basically it for Google Contacts. Yes, Google Contacts, that is it. So all your contacts appear here, and then you can also be able to export these contacts, and then you can also print this contact list so that you can have a hard copy of it. And then we have list settings. So basically that is it for Google Contacts. Thank you for your time, thank you for viewing, and As usual, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, and stay tuned for the next video where we shall be talking about Google Forms. Thank you.